Here we go. This is the reading and writing fill in the blanks practice number 12. If you take a look at the blanks here, we're going to drop down first. Okay, so these are dealing with vocabulary. If you take a look, we have a preposition. When we have preposition, you got to make sure you check to see if it is a dependent preposition. So this right here this is a noun. The fact is a noun. We're looking at verbs here, all verbs, and it's active voice, right? There's no be verbs. This is an active voice sentence. So if we use these verbs as active voice, which one would we actually use with a preposition? I reward you. You reward me. No preposition. Compensates. Do you know this word? Compensates has a dependent preposition. It's for. Compensates for. This is most likely the answer. I satisfy the requirement, right, for PTE. For example, you satisfied the requirement for PTE. She refunded me money, right? She refunded me money. So no, this is the only one that has a dependent preposition, and that's the one I will go with. Okay. Next, this one, linking words, but this is not a linking word. They look like they're all linking words, but this is not a linking word. So let's take a look at the context. What are they talking about? Right here, you can see the clue right here. Larger, smaller, right? What we would expect. Okay, done. So when you are talking about a comparative, ER, what do you need? Than, right? When you are comparing from one to another, you're going to have the ER and then the than. So this is a comparative. It's not even a linking word. And with the what right here, it probably doesn't even sound good, right? Yet what, where what, whereas what, then what is okay. And then next we have, let's take a look here. It's vocabulary. It has a dependent preposition, but I think this might be passive. There you go. You see, there's a be verb right here. This is going to be passive voice. Emulated by, surpassed by, followed by, instruct. Okay, so they sound weird when you say emulated and instructed because humans and apes, I guess you can say emulate, but is humans pretending to be, apes pretending to be human? Nope, brightest animals on the planet, okay? The smartest animals on the planet are humans. And then they tell you what's the next smartest animal, right? They're not going to tell you who's smarter than humans. What animal on this planet is smarter than humans? I don't know. Maybe the dolphins. Who knows? But I would say apes is followed by the apes. The next is followed by the apes. You can't say surpassed. That means you're saying apes are smarter than humans. Maybe in the movie, Planet of the Apes, but in reality, at the moment, not yet. So we're going to say followed by. Okay. And then next, we look at the options. Okay, so this is going to be a preposition. The dog is close. So if we're dealing with sequence, we're telling you what's number one, number two, number three. We're giving you a sequence. That means the dog is close ahead, close behind. That's it. There's only two. It's either in front or in back. They don't have the word ahead. So it's only behind. So when you're talking about one step at a time, you can't say close under. Okay, so one by one, if you're saying first, second, third, fourth, you're either ahead or you're behind. I would pick behind. And then lastly, what are we looking at? Oh, okay. So these are different types of adjectives. So as a general rule are, look at that. It's right here, the clue. What did we just talk about up here with the THAN? It's the same thing. When you got the THAN, we got to have that ER. Let's take a look. There it is. I hope that helps.